Welcome back to another Dynodaze video. You know I love an FN2, and this one's got a few little mods that we'll talk about in the video. But yeah, it's here today for an Ecutek map. Now that's going to be software that we flash onto the stock ECU, so no need for an additional ECU like with an EP3. But initially we're going to do a power run, see where we're at, get those figures. Then we're going to flash the Ecutek license, do some logging, etc. That gives us the ability to log and see what's going on in the ECU, in the brain of the car. And then we'll start tuning and see where we get to. So let's crack on. Well, Black FN2 mapped up on the Ecutek software.
Yeah.
Now this has got stock airbox
With a panel filter.
A Tegiwa 4:1 exhaust, manifold, a Tegiwa 70mm, FD2 oil pump, uprated fuel pump, I believe.
Yeah, uprated fuel pump. Not that that would necessarily make any difference to anything we're doing.
Strange mod, but it's there.
It's strange mod. It's there. I think it's it's lacking some mods, this car, ain't it? It's we made some power in the mid-range, didn't really make anything up top at all. But then that's limitations. That's limitations, obviously, the stock airbox and things like that. So definitely an induction kit would improve power here for sure.
CPL Big bore induction kit seems to be the best one.
Yeah, seems to be a nice one. Skunk 2 again is an alright one. We know full well with these, the RRC inlet manifold unlocks a bucket load of power, don't it?
Buckets.
Yeah, so induction kit and inlet manifold for this car if he wants to go further for sure. That will see the benefit, obviously, of the exhaust and the exhaust manifold.
I think we finished on 218.
Yeah, so not bad overall, I don't think. But it didn't really, because it already got the mods on when it came here, it made that sort of power before we started. So
yeah, about 215, something like that before we started. But yeah, power in the mid-range as we expected.
Yeah, for sure.
Now it's a GT spec, so it's got adjustable maps using the cruise control buttons and adjustable launch control.
Yeah.
It's got flat foot shifting, auto blip down throttle. Valet mode, anti-theft,
yeah, loads of stuff going on.
Yeah, so it's drivability and experience for this vehicle. I think he's going to enjoy it.
Yeah,
but let's go look at that graph.
Let's have a look at that graph.
Let's do it.
So there we are, say it with me. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Power in the mid-range gained a tiny little bit top end, and we finish on 218 brake from 213, but that's peak power. So another one in the bag, a beautiful black, Nighthawk black FN2 Civic TypeR. Code word for this video, because we're doing that again, is Nighthawk. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Do like and subscribe and all that jazz. If you're not already subscribed, that's the door opening. If you're not already subscribed, I hope today is the day that you decide to subscribe. If you are already subscribed, then hit the little bell notification below, and that tells you of all our content and when it comes out, live streams, things like that. But yeah, thanks guys. Another beautiful FN2. Like I said at the start of the video, core blimey, I love these cars. What a pleasure it is to work on people's pride and joy. Right, we'll see you on the next one.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Light moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.